We'll guide you through how to create a Dropbox account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website by typing www.dropbox.com into your web browser's address bar and pressing Enter. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You'll be taken to a sign-up form where you need to enter your first name, last name, and email address. Make sure to use an email address you have access to, as you'll need to verify it later. Then, create a strong password. Remember, a good password should have a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure it's secure. You'll also need to agree to the Dropbox terms of service, so make sure to check the box indicating your agreement. Once you've filled out all the required information, click the Create an Account button. After this, Dropbox will send you a confirmation email. Go and check your email inbox and look for an email from Dropbox. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This step is crucial as it verifies your email address and completes the account creation process. Once your email is verified, you'll be logged into your new Dropbox account. From here, you can start uploading files, creating folders, and sharing your content with others. If you want to upgrade your account for more storage, you can do that by clicking on your account icon at the top right and selecting Plans to see the available options. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.